to withdraw money from your Webull account to your bank account. Start by opening the Webull app and logging in. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard, but you won't find a withdraw option. Before you can withdraw your money, you need to switch to the Lite account. To do this, click on the menu button at the bottom. Then select the Lite option from the top bar. And finally click on the Switch to Lite button. After switching to the Lite version, sell all your stores, ETS, or bones in your Webull account, as these will be converted into your cash balance. Next, click on the Banking and Transfer option. Then select Withdraw from the available options. You'll see the balance you can withdraw. So click on the Withdrawal button at the bottom. You'll have two options to withdraw your money: ACH or wire. Keep in mind that ACH takes longer, while wire takes 1 to 2 business days but may incur fees. Choose your preferred method. Then specify your bank account details and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click the Submit button. Confirm your details, and click the Confirm button. Your money will then be withdrawn to your bank account.